Hi guys, welcome to Ral's Inside Jungle. This is my balcony and I have a few updates for you. I just want to show you that we are in the progress of changing the windows, putting those windows that isolate very well, and it looks a mess. It's a mess. We had to build a wall between us and the neighbor, and these are the materials. These are the old wooden windows frame that we took off. I still have here the balcony door. You can see it's not isolating very well anymore. The window is broken over there. Well, they are here since 1977 or something like that, when the block of apartments was built. And let's be honest, time does leave a mark on anything and everything eventually. So yes, that beer can belongs to the handyman that just had left. I'm gonna have to clean all this mess, but I'm so happy to let you know that we are just a few weeks apart from having this sort of shelves all over the balcony. The wall will be nicely done, and we are gonna have fresh paint coat, and all my baby seedlings and all my plants, they're gonna have a new room, and a warm one, because I plan to isolate the exterior wall as well, not only with the windows but with that styrofoam as well. So these are my calamansi, and these are my community plants. Actually, I can make an update about my community plants as well. As you can see, my repotting was successful. They are doing just fine. I have a baby leaf here, I have a baby leaf here, and this spider plant is absolutely gorgeous and it's doing just fine. These are my poorer calamansi. As you can see, I'm still struggling with the deficiency. I am trying to figure out what's the cause and give them what they need. I managed to make them survive, and this was maybe in the worst shape, and I had to cut a few leaves, but as you can see, he's growing new leaves and I'm very proud of it. Hopefully it's gonna get some strength, and hopefully it's gonna get some proper nutrients from the soil. I did change the soil second or third time, so it's new batch of soil. I don't know what's really going on with this guy. If you have any idea, please let me know. More than that, on my balcony has moved a new piece of decoration, and this is the airplane my parents bought for my husband for his birthday. And this plane was submerged into water in our aquarium for quite a lot of time, but we have redecorated, or actually my husband redecorated the entire aquarium, and right now I'm trying to grow some moss on the plane. It's not doing so well because I have dry hair. I'm not in a forest. Dry hair, did I say hair? Dry air, guys. And as we do not have moist in the air, I'm just struggling with some moss. I'm really trying to give it moisture over here. I'm trying to make it survive. I don't know if you can see it, but this one is it's still green, so I'm really trying. I don't know if the moss will survive. I hope to make some very nice arrangements in my pots, but if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. I'm just gonna focus on the plants that strive, like these ones. Oh, and I plan to make more community plants, but first I need space. This is my borage flower. If I'm here on the balcony, I know it's a mess, and please do apologize the process. These are some of the stones and shells I put on the bottom of the pots. These are my borage flowers. I brought the seeds on Amazon.com. And although the seeds were left on a shelf inside, so dry air, for quite a year or more, the seeds germinated, and I do have my borage plants. This is another provider. This is mint. I have left the seeds in the same conditions for a year until I got home to Europe. And this, I don't know if I'm tall enough to show you my upper shelf with borage plants and some mint. Where is my mint? No, it's here, right here. The lemon mint is actually the ones with the most successful growth rate and germination rate. As you can see, I'm having just little spearmint coming out, and this is a plant I do not know the name. I know that it just makes beautiful flowers in shape of a heart, pink flowers in shape of a heart. I hope the plant will grow. And this is the Java moss from my husband's aquarium, because I said I don't want to see it anymore in the aquarium. It's very messy, but he doesn't want to throw it, so I have Java moss in a plastic gallon on the balcony. Not happy about it, but what can I do? These plastic trays, they serve as trays for my pots, my growing number of pots. And yep, it doesn't look too good, it looks like a mess, but it's gonna look very nice in a few weeks, and I'm gonna show you the result then. I hope you enjoy my plants until then. Excuse the mop bucket down below. I hope you enjoy our plane as well. Probably it's gonna end up back in the aquarium, but until then I'm gonna make some plant arrangements with it. See you next time at my next update, and happy planting and green thumbs. Bye bye.